Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 12th of October. So we'll start from class 5 physics. Let us start our discussion. So our first question is, which of the following is the best example of mechanical energy? So as we can see in options, movement of the car is the best example of mechanical energy. So correct answer is option C. Okay. Next question, question number 2. A falling apple from a tree is an example of kinetic energy only, potential energy changing into kinetic energy, mechanical energy to chemical energy, or sound energy. So as we can see here, it is an example of potential energy changing into kinetic energy. So the correct answer is option B. Next question, question number 3. So here we have two columns and we have to match the connecting things. Okay. So the first is squeezing a sponge. So by squeezing a sponge, that will create change in shape. So for P, I will write 1. Kicking a ball. Kicking of ball, that means change in motion. That means for Q, I will write 3. Turning a steering wheel, it will change the direction. So I will write 2 for R. Throwing a ball upward, that means change in speed. So for S, I will write 4. So the correct answer is 1, 3, 2, 4. So 1, 3, 2, 4, that means option C is our correct answer. Okay. Next question, question number 4. A boy pushes a box but it does not move. What could be the most possible reason? So there are 4 options given. There is no gravity acting. No. The box is too light. No. Friction and weight are more than the boy's force. That's why box does not move. So our correct answer is option C. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. So, in question number 5, what happens if two forces of equal strength act in opposite direction on an object? That means these are balanced force. So, in that case, the object does not move. So, we will say the object remain still. Okay. So, option C is our correct answer. Next question, question number 6. That is a assertion reason question. A rolling car loses some of its energy due to friction. That is a true statement, because in reason it is given friction converts some mechanical energy into heat energy. This is also true and it is the correct explanation of assertion. So for this question, we will write both assertion and reason are true and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. So option A is our correct answer. Okay. Next question, question number 6, that is based on a paragraph. Okay. Aman was helping his mother in the garden. He pulled the hose and water to the plants and later pushed a wheelbarrow full of soil. While watering, he noticed that when he pulled the hose too quickly, it jerked. He also found it harder to push the wheelbarrow uphill. Okay. So in that case, in question number 7, it is asked what type of force did Aman use to move the hose and the wheelbarrow. So we know that in this case, contact pulling and pushing force are used. So option B is our correct answer. Okay. Next question is based on same paragraph, and that is, why did the wheelbarrow become harder to push in up hills? So as we know that to push the wheelbarrow up hills, we require more muscular force. So for this, we will say because it required more muscular force. So option C is our correct answer. Question number 9, that is also a assertion reason question. Pushing an object applies force on it. That is a true statement, because when we apply force, then we can push or pull object. Okay. In reason, it is said force is only applied when we pull something. No, that is false statement, because it is not necessary that force is only applied when we pull. In push case, force is also applied. So assertion is true, but reason is false. In that case, option C is our correct answer. Question number 10, that is our last question, that is sequence based. So we have to pick the correct sequence. So it is based on pulley and rope. So in this, number 1, load rises. No, first of all, what we do, we pull the rope. Okay, so rope pulled, yes, and then second case, pulley will rotate, and in the last, load will rises. So option C is our correct answer. Okay, so we have discussed all the questions of physics subject. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, please subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss part 2 chemistry for class 5th. Let's discuss. First question is, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. The option A is weight and smell, that is incorrect. Taste and smell, that is also incorrect. Mass and occupy space, yes, it is the correct answer. Shape and energy, again it is the wrong option. So correct answer is option C. Let's discuss the next. Name M, N, O, P and Q from the image. And the image is about the types of pollution, where M is water pollution, N is noise pollution, O is land or soil pollution, P is air pollution, Q is radioactive pollution. So let's discuss the options. A, M, oil pollution. No, it is water pollution. So option A is incorrect. B, M, air pollution. Again, it is wrong because M is water pollution. Option C, M, water pollution. Okay. N equal to noise pollution. It is also correct. But O given as radioactive pollution and it is wrong. So option C is also wrong. D, M, water pollution. Okay. N, noise pollution. That is correct. O, land or soil pollution. Okay, it is correct. P, air pollution. This is also correct. And Q, radioactive pollution. So option D becomes the correct answer. Let's check the next question. This is match the column, and in column 1, P is playing loud music on speakers near hospitals. Q using the same gift bag multiple times. R melting old plastic bottles to make toys. S dumping chemical waste into rivers. And in column 2 there is first recycle, second reuse, third noise pollution and four water pollution. Let's match. P, that is playing loudspeakers, resemble with the third, that is noise pollution. Q, using the same gift bag multiples, that is second reuse. Melting all plastic bottles to make toys, this is first recycle. Dumping chemical waste into rivers, this match with 4 water pollution. So let's discuss the option. Option A is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wrong. B, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is also wrong. C, 3, 2, 1, 4. Yes, 3, 2, 1, 4. This is the correct option. D, 2, 1, 4, 3. This is again the wrong answer. So correct option is C. Let's take the next question. This is, which of the following best describe a balanced ecosystem? As we know, in a balanced ecosystem, all living and non-living things interdependent on each other. Let's discuss the options. A, only plants grow. No. Only animals survive. No, this is also incorrect. Equal number of herbivores and carnivores. No, herbivores are more in number as compared to carnivores. So C is also wrong. D, all living and non-living things interact and dependent on each other? Yes, the D option is correct for the question. So answer is option D. 15th question is identify the correct matching of physical state and property. Okay, first option is solid, flows easily and takes container shape. No, it is not the property of solid state but is for liquid. So A is wrong. Liquid has fixed shape and volume. Again, the property is not for the liquid, it is for the solid. So B is also incorrect. Gas, easily compressible and no fixed volume. Yes, this is correctly matched with the gaseous state because the particles of gases are far apart and move freely. So these can be easily compressible. It is the correct option. Solid, particles far apart and move freely. No, this is the not for the solid state. So this is again the wrong option and the correct option is C for question 15. Question 16 is about the assertion reason type. So assertion is gases are highly compressible. Yes, gases are highly compressible. So reason is given as intermolecular forces in gases are very strong. In this statement given is a reason is false, but the assertion is true. Let's take the answer. A. Both assertion A and reason R are the true and reason R is a correct explanation of assertion A. That is incorrect. Both assertion A and reason R are the true but reason R is not a correct explanation of assertion A. This is incorrect. Assertion A is true and reason R is false. Yes, this is correct option. Assertion A is false and reason R is true. No, it is the wrong option. So correct option is C. Let's take the next question. This is paragraph based. When we light a candle, the wax near the flame melts, turning from solid to liquid. As the wax continues to burn, some of it vaporizes and forms gases that support the flame. In this simple activity, all three states of matter are present: solid wax, liquid and melted wax and gases produced during burning. Burning of the candle is physical and chemical change involving change in state. Let's take the question 17. What makes this candle example useful for understanding states of matter? The option A is it only involves solid. No, there is liquid and gaseous states also. It involves conversion of states. Yes, the whole activity involves conversion of states. So B option may be correct. Let's check the other options. C, it only shows evaporation. No, in this activity melting is seen. It shows irreversible changes only. No, in this activity the reversible changes also taken. So D option is wrong. Correct option is B. Next question is, what change takes place in the wax at the bottom of the candle? At the bottom of the candle, the solid liquid wax again converted into the solid form. So A option is it changes from gas to liquid. No, this is wrong. It changes from liquid to solid. Yes, it is correct. It changes from gas to solid. No, it is wrong. It changes from liquid to gas. Yes, it is again wrong. So correct option is B. Let's take the next question. This is assertion reason type. The assertion is given a food chain in which grass eaten by the grasshopper and grasshoppers are eaten by frog and frog is eaten by snake and snake is eaten by eagle, that correctly resemble with a food chain. So assertion is true. Reason: a food chain is a linear sequence of organisms through which energy and nutrients pass as one organism eats another, and this is also true and the correct definition for a food chain. So check the options. A. Both assertion and reason are the true, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion. That is the correct option for this question. So take the next question. This is a sequence based question. Which of the following is the correct sequence for decomposition of the biodegradable waste? And there is PQRS 4 steps. B is bacteria and fungi release enzymes. Q, formation of humus. R, breakdown of complex substances. S, release of nutrients into the soil. Which list shows the steps in the correct order? Let's check. From these 4 steps, P is taken as the first step because when an organic matter is decomposed by bacteria and fungi, then these release some enzymes. Now, after this, R is taken because after releasing enzymes, breakdown of complex substances is occurred. Now, after R, Q is taken, formation of humus. Okay, now after this, S is the last step, that is release of nutrients into the soil. Let's check the options. A is PRQS. PRQS, and this is the correct option. B, PQRS. No, this is wrong. C is SPQR. No, it is also wrong. D is PQSR. No, it is again wrong. So the correct answer is A for this question. Now, this is the part 2 chemistry. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
We discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 5th biology. Let's start. First question. Which letter represents ureter in the figure given below? P, Q, R and S. This one is kidney. Next, ureter. Next, bladder, urinary bladder, and according to question, ureter P. Option A, that is show ureter. It's mean P is ureter. Next question is The device used to hear the heartbeat is option A, microscope, option B, telescope, option C, sphygmomanometer, and option D is stethoscope. Option D, stethoscope, is used for hear the heartbeat. Or right answer is option D. Next, match column first and second. Select the correct answer using code given below. Column first and column second. Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus related with curd. So, lactobacillus in column second help to making curd. It's mean P match with second. Next, Q, nitrosomonas. Nitrosomonas help in nitrogen fixation. So, nitrosomonas match with nitrification Q1. Next, rhizopus. Rhizopus is a fungus that spoilage of bread. Its mean R match with 4. And last, S, fermentation. Conversion of sugar to alcohol in absence of oxygen. So, S match with third. 2143. 2143. 2143 in option D. So, our correct option is option D. Next, which microorganism is used in the preparation of idli and dokla to make them soft and fluffy? Microorganism, soft and fluffy. Lactobacillus, no. Penicillium, no, because penicillium produce penicillin, that is a antibiotic. Yeast. Yeast is a fungus that used in baker and brewer industry. So, our right answer for this question is yeast, because yeast produce CO2 in this condition that make soft and fluffy condition in idli and dokla. Next, what is the main role of lactobacillus in the food industry? Food industry. And lactobacillus, that is a bacteria, and this bacteria also known as LAB, lactic acid bacteria, that convert milk into curd. First option is cause food poisoning, that is wrong. Make alcohol, that is wrong. Help in curd formation, right. Spoil bread, that is wrong. So, option C is correct for this question. Next, assertion and reason. Assertion A, correct posture help prevent back and neck pain, that is right. Correct posture help painful movement or painful body structure. Next, reason, strength posture reduce strain on muscle and bone, that is also right. So, according to assertion and reason, assertion A is correct, and reason also explain assertion A. Both assertion A and reason are true, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. So, option A is correct for this question. Next, paragraph question related with nervous system. Nervous system help different part of the body work together. It allow us to sense thing around us and decide how to respond. Sense thing. It also store information and help us learn new thing. It send and receive signal quickly so that we can act almost immediately. The system include a central part located in the head, that is brain, and A long structure that run down the back, that is called spinal cord. That is called spinal cord. Run from brain, along with the many tiny pathways spread throughout the body. What is the main function of nervous system? Pump blood? No, because pump blood is conducted in heart. Digestion? No. Control body activity and response? That is right, because brain, spinal cord help in control body activity and show response against stimulus, many stimulus. So our right option is C. Next, what part of the nervous system run down the back? Run down the back. Run down the back. Brain to backbone. That is spinal cord. Option C is correct, because rib cage protect lungs and skull protect brain, and windpipe, that is a transport area for air. So right answer is option C, spinal cord. Next, assertion A and reason are: pasteurization of milk kills harmful microorganism. And reason: in pasteurization, milk is boiled at very high temperature for 10 minutes. So according to assertion and reason, assertion is true, and reason, pasteurization milk boiled at very high temperature, that is right, but 10 minutes, that is wrong. So this is not a correct explanation of assertion. So right answer is option C, assertion A is true, but reason R is false. So correct explain of assertion is wrong and reason is wrong, because this temperature is not this temperature, high temperature for 10 minutes is wrong. It's minor second, some second, like 10 second or 20 second or 5 second. So our right answer is option C. Next question: which is the correct response of how pickles are preserved using microbes? Pickle are preserved using microbe. According to question, option A, B, C, D. First of all, we make step: add salt or vinegar. So add salt first of all. Next, mix with spices. Next step is store in tight jar. Store in airtight jar. And next, keep in for some time or few time in sun. Now first, second and third and fourth step, match in option A, no. Option B and C, boil pickle, no. Add lemon, no. Option B is correct according to our step. Add salt or vinegar and mix with spices and store in airtight jar, keep in sun. So our right answer is option B. These are the all solution for class 5th biology. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
So in this series of MOF paper solution for class 5th, which was held on 12th of October 2025, now we discuss about the fourth part of paper, which is for mathematics. And for your kind information, matrix is known as for mathematics, everyone. So now we are discuss about the each question which you face in the examination in the segment of mathematics. So we are having question number 31 as per your paper, and this is the question number first as the subject of mathematics. What it say? Look at here. According to this question, it say, name a point which is both in the exterior of angle APB and angle APC. Look at here. Here we have exterior point. That means the outer point from the angle. Yes or no? So look at here. We are having the first angle is APB. Which is APB? First one is APB. This is the selected angle according to the question. Okay. And in this question, you can see here, E is the interior point. Yes or no? And APB are on the boundary of the angle. So which one are the exterior? The first one is F, second one is C, third one is G, and fourth one is D. All these are exterior for the angle APB. So you can write here for angle APB. Here we have four exterior point. First one is F, second one is C, third one is G, and the fourth one is D. But we want to find out the common exterior point for the both of the angles. Yes or no? So the next angle is APC. You can see here, when you select APC, like that, APC, what you observe, there are 3 points on the boundary. First one is A, second one is B, and third one is C. So APC on the boundary, okay. And here we have 3 points in the interior portion of the angle. The first one is E, second one is B, and the third one is F. That means we are having only 2 points which is exterior for the angle APC. So we can say here for the APC we are having 2 exterior points. First one is G and second one is D. Okay. So you can say that there are 2 exterior points for the APC and APB both. Okay. So the resulted answer is GD. These are the exterior point for both angles. First one is APB and second angle is APC. So compare the answer with the option. You can see here E or F is wrong option for this question. E or G is also wrong because the point G is correct but E is not correct. So option is also not correct. Okay. And F is also not correct. So selected result is option C. So you can say here the G is the exterior for both of the angle. Okay. So let's come to the next question. So next question is question number 32. What it say? A plank is 1325 centimeter long. That means 1325 centimeter long. Okay. A worker need to check whether it fall within the range of 12 meter to 14 meter. Okay. Help him determine it is fall in that range by arranging the step correctly. That means we are having 4 steps here. We are discussing about the arrangement of all those steps correctly. Look at the question. We are having the length of plank in the centimeter and the range is in the meter. That means unit are not same. And for the proper measurement for lies or not in the range of given question, what we do? We want to make the same unit of both of the condition, the length or the range also. So what we do? We want to convert centimeter in meter. That means we want 1325 centimeter convert in meter. And for your kind information, everyone, as you all know, whenever we convert centimeter to meter, what we do? We divide it by 100. What I say? We divided by the number by 100. Then the result is converted into meter. You can see here in all those options. First of all, convert 1325 centimeter into meter and centimeters. This is the first step. So R is the first step. And for that, what we do? Divide 1325 by 100. You got 13 meter 25 centimeter. This is the step number second. Some students think how we got 13 meter and 25 centimeter. Dear students, whenever you divide this number by 100, you got 13.25. Before the decimal, we are having 13, and after decimal we are having 25. 25 represent centimeter and 13 represent meter. That means the result is 13 meter and 25 centimeter. After that, we are having same unit of length of plank. What we do? We compare the range with the length. You can see here 13 meter and 25 centimeter is greater than by 12. It is greater than by 12 and less than by 14. That means it is lies between 12 meter and 14 meter. So compare if 13 meter 25 centimeter lies between 12 meter and 14 meter. Yes, it is lies between the range which is given. That means the P is the third point and Q is the last point. So P is the third point and Q is the last point. So this is the proper sequence for the arrangement of all points. So which kind of answer we have? R S P Q. R S P Q. This is the option A and this is the correct option. Let's come to the next question. The next question is the product of the place values of two fives in 17,352 is. Look at the question very well, everyone. What it say? We want to find the product. Product means multiplication. For which number? For numbers of two fives. In the number we have 2 5. Look at the question very well. There are 2 5s. First one and second one. And we want to discuss about the place values. So first of all, mark the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. First 5 lies on the place value of tens and the second 5 lies on the place value of 1000. That means this 5 means 5000 and this 5 means 5 tens are 15. Okay, and we want to find out the product of both numbers. That means we want to find out the result of multiplication of both numbers. You can see here we are having 3 0 in this number and 1 0 in this number. So total 0 in the result is 4. Okay, and whenever we multiply 5 by 5, then we have 25. And whenever we use commas, then we got 2,50,000 is the correct option. So look at the option. This is not fair. This is not fair. This is not fair. This is the correct option of this question. Let's come to the next question, everyone. So if you have any doubt, revise this question once again. You got the final answer of that question. Okay, let's come to the next question according to your aim of examination. This is a very special question, everyone. For the next competitive examinations also, we have assertion and reason based question. What it say? The number 45836 is divisible by 7. What it say? The number 45836. We have number 45836, 45,836 is divisible by 7. So first of all, what is the rule of divisibility for 7? You know about it? Okay, let's discuss about it. What we do? First of all, if we want to find out the divisibility for the 7, what we do? We take unit number of given number, unit digit of given number. Like here we have 6 and make its double. 6 2s are 12. Write it here and subtract from the remaining number. So what we have, 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7 and remaining one is 4 and 5. Again what we do? Take unit digit of the result and once again take its double. 1 2s are 2. Subtract from the remaining number. Then we have 7 minus 2 is 5. Remaining number is 45. Okay. Again, what we do? Take unit digit once again. Make its double. Then we got 10. And subtract 10 from the remaining number. Then we got 35. You can see here. The final result is 35. 5. And 35 is properly divisible by 7 by 5 times. We know very well. That means if the result is divisible by 7, that means the number is also divisible by 7. And the rule is you subtract twice of the unit digit of number from the remaining number. If the result is divisible by 7, then the number is also divisible by 7. Okay, that means this number is divisible by 7 because the result is 35 and it is divisible by 7 5 times. Okay, okay, that means assertion is true. Look at the reason. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. No, everyone, this is rule for 3. Yes or no? This is not follow in the divisibility of 7. That means reason is false. So look at all the options. We face option D. Assertion A is false. No. Assertion A is true and reason R is false. Yes, this is the correct option because 45,836 is divisible by 7 and the reason is false. It is not a rule for divisibility of 7. So the correct option is option C. Let's come to the next question which you face in examination. In this question we are facing the factor tree of 72 is shown here. That means this is the factor tree of 72. Factor tree means the tree which is made by the factor of a number. Okay, find the value of this one. So how to find it? Listen very carefully. The first need is that we want here the value of m, p and n. So first of all, find out all those value with using of the factor tree of 72. Look at here. 4 has a factor is 2. If we want to find the remaining factor, look at here, this is n. And if you want to find out the value of n, what you do? Divide 4 by 2, you got the remaining factor. Whenever number divide by its first factor, we got its second factor. So 4 divided by 2, then we get 2 and this is the value of n. Okay. And look at here. M will make by 2 and 9 both. That means 2 9s are 18. It means M equal to 18. There are one more option for finding the value of M. Whenever you divide 72 by 4, then you got M and it is also 18. Okay. Next, whenever you divide 9 by 3, you got P because 9 is the number and 3 and p is the factor of number. And whenever number divided by its first factor, you got its second factor. That means 9 divided by 3, then you got p. It means p is equal to 3. Okay, everyone. So, here you can see the value of n is equal to 2, m equal to 18 and p equal to 3. So find out the required answer of this question. We want to find out the value of p, m divided by p multiply n. So first of all, put the all values which you find out in this question. The value of m is 18, second one is p and value of p is 3 and value of n is 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and whenever 18 divided by 6, then what is the answer? 3 6 are 18. It means the correct answer is 3. Whenever we put all those values and find out the calculation of these condition, then we got 3. It means the option D is correct answer for question number 35. Let's come to the next question, everyone. So next we have question number 36, everyone, and in this question first of all we face the paragraph and after that we are discussing about all those statements, these are true or not. Okay, so according to the paragraph, what we have a boy Rohan who bought 3 pens for rupees 15 each. It means the cost of pens is equal to, How many pens he bought? 3 pens. How many rupees for each pen? 15 rupees. The total cost is 15 threes are 45 rupees. Okay. And he bought 2 pencils for 10 each. It means cost of pencils. Cost of pencils is equal to 2 pencils for 10. So it means 2 multiplied by 10. This is 20 rupees for total cost of pencil. Okay. Let's come to the next point. He paid with a rupees 100 note. That means he give 100 rupees to the shopkeeper and purchase all those things, and he receive remaining money from the shopkeeper. Look at here. The total spent money is 45 and 20. 45 for pen and 20 for pencil. Okay. So he spent 65 rupees in total deal with the shopkeeper. And whenever he give 100 rupees to the shopkeeper, he receive remaining money. So remaining money is 35 rupees. Got it? Look at all the statement which is given in the question. The first one is the total cost of pen is rupees 45. Dear students, the total cost for pen is rupees 45. This is the correct according to the statement. Okay. The cost of pencil is rupees 25. Dear students, the cost is 20, not is 25. That means this is the false according to the paragraph. Okay. Next, he spent rupees 80. No, he spent rupees 65 for the both pen or pencils. Okay. That means this is also false. He should get rupees 30 back as the change. Look at here. He received 35 from the shopkeeper, not 30 rupees. That means this is also false statement. So we have TFFF. So you can see here true, false, false, false. Got it? So option D is the correct answer for this question. Let's come to the next question. And the next question is question number 37. Find the perimeter of the shaded region in the given figure. Look at here, everyone. The question want to perimeter. What it want? It want perimeter of the shaded region. Look at here. Perimeter means outer boundary. And here we have squares. They have side is 1 centimeter. Got it? So what we want to find here? We want to find here the outer boundary of the shaded region. Okay. We want to find it in the question. Got it? So first of all, look at the question very carefully. We will start from this point. You know very well, the side of each square box is 1 centimeter. That means it is also 1. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, remember careful. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 in the last condition. That means how many distance we cover. Whenever we cover the all outer boundary of shaded region, we covered 20. That means the outer boundary is 20 centimeter and the perimeter is outer boundary for any shape. So the correct option is option B. Let's come to the next question. And the next question is question number 38, which is based on the paragraph. In this question, what we do? First of all, the basic need is that you read out the paragraph very carefully. After that, discuss about the given values and think about the required value which is required in the question. So first of all, what is the paragraph? We know that 5 June is always celebrated as every year as a World Environment Day. Yes or no? Okay. As a part of its celebration, Arun and 2 of his friends. There are 3 persons. First one is Arun and second one is his 2 friends. Okay. decide to have a cycling race to promote environment friendly transport. They started at 12 noon and took 3 minutes 20 seconds, 3 minutes 40 seconds, 4 minutes respectively. It means Arun takes 3 minutes 20 seconds and his two friends takes 3 minutes 40 seconds and 4 minutes respectively to cycle on a circular track to cycle complete a circle. It means whenever Arun complete a complete circle in the competition, then he takes 3 minutes 20 seconds for one circle. Okay, and his two friends takes 3 minutes 40 seconds and 4 minutes. Got it? Look at the question. The question 38, what say? The LCM of 3 minutes 20 seconds, 3 minutes 40 seconds and 4 minutes is. That means what we found, what we find in this question, we find out the LCM. We find out the LCM for 3 minutes 20 seconds, 3 minutes 40 seconds and 4 minutes. Look at the question. We are having three numbers. First one is 3 minutes 20 seconds. Second one is 3 minutes 40 seconds. Got it? And the last one is 4 minutes. So first of all, change the unit of the time and make it properly. Like we convert in seconds only. Then whenever 3 minutes convert in second, then what we do? 3 multiply by 60 and add 20 because 20 is in second. Then we get 3 6 are 18, so it is 180 and plus 20, that means the result is 200 seconds. Got it? Here we have 3 minutes, that means again 3 multiply by 60 and 40 is second, then that 40 added in the result. So 3 multiply by 60, it is 180, and whenever we add 40 in 180, then the result is 220 second. Got it? And whenever we convert 4 minutes in second, what we do? Multiply by 60, then the result is 240 seconds. Got it? So according to the question, we want to find out the LCM of all those numbers. The first number is 200 second, second is 220 second, and third one is 240 second. Got it? So according to question, we want to find out the LCM of all those numbers. So be careful and remember, 3 minutes 20 second means 200 seconds. 3 minutes 40 second means 220 seconds. Okay. And 4 minutes means 240 seconds. 240 seconds. Got it? So look at here. We want to find out the LCM of both, triple of the numbers. So look at here very carefully. We want to find out the LCM of all those numbers. The numbers are 200, 220 and remaining one is 240. First of all, look at the numbers. We are having 1 0 in each number, like that. We have 1 0 in each number. So for the make calculation easy, what we do? Remove 1 0 from all those the numbers. Then we have 20, 22 and 24 because we remove 1 0 from the number, and whenever we find out the result of LCM, then we put 1 0 in the result. Okay, it's make the calculation easy. Okay, so first of all, divided by 2, then whenever 20 divided by 2, then result is 10. 22 divided by 2, then result is 11 simply. And whenever 24 divided by 2, then result is 12. Again, it's divided by 2, then we have 5, 11 and 6. Next, divided by 2, 5 is not divided, 11 is also not divided, 6 divided by 2, then result is 3. And you can see here, these all are odd number. That means these are not divided by 2, so we take 3. 5 is not divided, 11 is also not divided, but 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, next we take 5. We got 1, 11 and 1, and in the end we divided by 11 because there are only 11 here. It means this is the final result. So whenever we find out the LCM, what we do? We multiply all those the prime numbers with each other. So we have 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 11. That means 2, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 11. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. It means this is the 24. Next we have 5 multiplied by 11. 24 5s are 120, and whenever 120 multiplied by 11, 120 multiplied by 11, then the result is, I think, 13. Now listen very carefully everyone. Here we have 1320, but be careful. Remember, you forgot 1 0 in each number. That means we put out in the result also. Then take 1 0 also here. So this is the LCM of all those number, but it is in seconds only. It is in second because the times are in second. But according to option, we want to find out the result in minute. So what we do, we divided by 13,200 by 60 for convert it into second to minutes also. Okay, so look at here, we want to divided 13,200 by 60, then 0 to 0 cut out, we have 1320. It is divided by 6. Look at here, 6 2s are 12, remainder is 1, we have 1 and 2, 12. Again 6 2s are 12, then we have 2, and the remaining 0 are put out in the result. So we got 220, and this is the correct answer because this is the answer in minute, and we are having 220 in option B. That means the correct answer for this question is option B, 220 minute. It is the LCM of for these three time period. Okay, let's come to the next question everyone. So according to next question, what we have here, we have the question number 39, and it is also depend on the same paragraph. According to this question, the number of cycles completed by Arun in 220 minutes. It means there are the total time which we have 220 minutes. Listen very carefully. If you want to find out the total cycles for a given time period, then what we do, first of all, we divide the total time by the time taken in each cycle. That means number of cycles is equal to total time which you have divided by time taken in each cycle. Time taken in each cycle. Time taken in one cycle or each cycle. Okay, you can see here Arun takes 3 minutes 20 seconds in each cycle. He takes 3 minutes 20 seconds in each time. Time taken in each cycle. Time taken in each cycle is equal to 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So first of all, convert into seconds only. So 3 minutes 20 seconds means 3 multiplied by 60, and after that we add 20 because 20 are in seconds. Then we get 180 plus 20. So this is the 200 seconds. Remember, got it? And the total time is 220 minutes. 220 minutes. This is the total time. So first of all, convert it into seconds. So what we do, multiplied it by 60. Then we have 20. These are here. 6 multiplied by 2. 6 2s are 12. We get 1 carry. 6 2s are 12 and 1 13. So that means this is the 13,200. Okay. So here we want to divide it by 200 because according to the formula of number of cycle, what we do, total time divided by the time taken in each cycle. So we divided it by the 200 second. So look at here, the total time is 13,200 seconds. Divided it by 200 seconds. This is the total time according to question, and this is the required time for a complete circle for the Arun. Okay, 20 cut out by 20, and whenever 2 divided by 132, then 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 1. The next number is 12, then 2 6 are 12. It means the result is 66. So total cycles which Arun covered in the 220 minutes, it is 66. Got it? Let's come to the next question. So next question is question number 40, which you face in the examination, and it is depend on column first and column second based question. what do? We want to match the column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Look at here. We are having point P in the column first, and what it say? 5 meter cube. Dear students, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Yes or no? It means 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. And if you want to find out 5 meter cube, then it is equal to 5000 liters. Okay. When we find out 5 meter cube, then it is equal to 5000 liters. Okay. So P meet with point 3. Got it? So here we have P, which is meet with 0.3 in the column number second. Okay. Next one is point Q. And what it say? 1 liter. Look at here. You know very well, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Remember, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, but 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay. So we know very well 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. It means Q point meet with point first. Q meet with point first. Okay. Next we want to find out 1 kiloliter. Look at here. If you want to find out 1 kilogram, then what you do? You multiplied 1 with 1000 gram. You multiplied 1 with 1000 gram. That means it is 1 kilogram. And now you find out 1 kiloliter. It means 1 liter multiplied by 1000. That means 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. And remember, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Then we write 1000 and replace liter as a centimeter cube. Then what you get? You get 1000 multiply 1000. That is equal to 0.4. That means point R meet with 0.4. Okay. Point R with 0.4. Now we are having 10 meter cube. Look at here. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Then 10 meter cube is equal to 10,000 liters. So simply we meet point S with point 2. So this is the solution of question number 40. Let's come to the next question. In this question, what is the requirement of question? A boat is sailing northeast. It means a boat is moving smoothly in northeast direction. Okay. A little later, it is formed sailing south. After some time, it is moving smoothly in the direction of south. Through what angle has it turned? Because whenever he takes some turn, then he changes his direction from northeast to south. It means first of all we are discussing about 4 sides. You know very well. Here we have north and opposite it we have south, and here we have east and west also. Okay. The boat is moving in northeast like that. So this is the boat which are moving in the northeast direction. After some time it is moving in south direction. That means after some time it is moving in south direction. So look at here. What is the rotation? You know very well this is the rectangle because it is a quadrant. So this is 90 degree. And this is the half of the 90 degree. Yes or no? This is the half of the 90 degree. It means it is the half of 1/4 of revolution. So if it is total is 90 degree, then we have 45 degrees here. So total rotation is 90 degree plus 45 degree. So the final turn is 135 degree because the sum of 90 plus 45 is 135 degree. Dear students, it is also turned from this side also, but this is a greater angle. Then we takes the smaller angle. Otherwise, this side is also for the turn. Got it? So according to the smaller turn, what is the final result? This is 90 plus 45, 45 for the east, and from the east to south we turn 90 degree. So the resulted turn is 90 plus 45. This is the 135, and according to the option C is the correct for the option. Got it? So the next question is question number 42, LCM of two numbers are 1488. It means we are having the result of LCM. We are having the result of LCM of two numbers, and this is the 1488. Look at here, everyone. The number are in the ratio of 3:4. Whenever two numbers are in the ratio, then what we do, we takes two number like that. First number is 3 because the first ratio is 3, and second one is 4. Then we take 4x. Got it? So these are the two numbers according to ratio. All the steps need to the ratio arrange number. What we do for find out the numbers according to the given ratio? First of all, we take out the number like 3x and 4x. You can see here, whenever you find out the prime factorization both of the number, then you can see here there are 3 and x. These two factors are there, and for this we are having 2 multiply 2 because there is 4, and remaining one is x. And whenever you find out the LCM both of them, whenever you find out the LCM of both of them, then what we do? First of all, take out the common factor, and the common factor is x. After that, we are taking the remaining factor. Here we have 3, then we take 3, and here we have 2 multiply 2, it means 2 multiply 2. The resulted answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and with 12 we are having x. So 12x is the LCM of the number according to the ratio. Compare the LCM with the resulted LCM also. So we are having 1488 as the LCM. So 12x is equal to 1488 because the proper LCM of the two numbers are 1488 according to the question. You can see here, whenever we change the place of 12 from left to the right, then it's gone in the division. Then the result is 1488 divided by 12. So let's cut out both of the number by 2. We are having 6, and here we have 744. And whenever we divide by 744 by 6, then we get 6 ones are 6. We are having remainder 1. Next digit is 4. 6 2s are 12. Then the next remainder is 2. And after that we take the next digit on the number, then we get 24. 6 4s are 24. It means the value of x is 124. And if you want to find out the number, what you do, put out the value of x in the number and multiplied by 3 for the first number and 4 for the second number. And look at the statements which we have in the question. Okay, so the first step is take out the number like 3x 4x. Got it? After that, find out the LCM, which is 12x. Okay, after that what we do, make it equal with 1488 because 12x is the LCM according to us and 1488 is the LCM according to the question. After that, find out the value of x and put out in the numbers. We are taking the x as a 124 in the number, like 3 multiply 124. We put out the value of x in 4x, then we get 4 multiply 124 is 496. So the numbers are, I think the numbers are 496 and the remaining numbers are 372, which we have. So the both numbers are here, the numbers are 372 and 496. So arrange the steps. The first step is Q, the second step is P, after that we are having S, and in the end we are having R. Okay, so the correct sequence is Q, P, S and R. This is the final result. So look at the option Q, P, S, R. This is the first option which we have in the question. So the correct answer is option A. Let's come to the next question. A cuboidal container of 1 meter cube is filled using small cubes of 10 centimeter side. How many such cubes are needed? It means there are a cuboidal container. Cuboid means we are having a shape like that. And in that shape, what we have smaller cubes like this. Okay, and the volume of a cuboid is 1 meter cube. The volume of cuboid is 1 meter cube. A cuboidal container of 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube is the volume of a cuboid. Okay, very good. So we are having volume of cuboid. Volume of a cuboid container is equal to 1 meter cube. Okay, and we filled it by cubes which has side 10 centimeter. Dear students, if you filled out a cuboidal container by cubes, then the total volume of cuboid is equal to total volume of all cubes. It means volume of cuboid is equal to volume of all cubes. Got it? And whenever you find out the number of cubes, then what you do? Divide the total volume by volume of one cube. Whenever you want to find out the number of cube. Here what we find? How many such cubes are needed? That means we find out the number of cube. We find out the number of cubes. And how it is find? What we do? Total volume divided by volume of one cube. Volume of one cube. So you can see here the total volume in meter. Yes or no? Meter cube. And the length of cube in centimeter. So first of all, what we do? Convert meter cube in centimeter. You can see here. We have 1 meter cube. And we have 10 centimeter as a length. And we know very well the volume of cube is side cube. That means 10 cube, but it is in centimeter. Yes or no? We know very well. So here we have 1 meter, it means 100 centimeter. And we want to do the cube of this. And here we have 10 cube. So first of all, short out it. Centimeter cube to centimeter cube directly cancel out. And whenever we find out the cube of 100, then we got 100 multiply 100 multiply 100. And in the division, we have 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. 30 cancel out by 30. The remaining one is 110. So we find out the result of multiplication of 110. The final result is 1000. And these are the number of cubes. So it means whenever we have 1000 cube, we filled out this cuboid properly. It means the correct option is 1000 cube, and it is the resulted answer of this question. Okay, let's come to the next question, everyone. So in question 44, what we are having the assertion and reason based question. This is very important for the competitive examination, dear students. So listen very carefully and look at the question very properly. We are having 3 points. The points are A, B, C, okay, and are 3 collinear points. Okay, collinear means if 2, 3, 4 points are on the same line, then we say these are the collinear points. Got it? So if these are collinear, then we represent A, B, C like that. And AB plus BC not equal to AC. Look at here. If B lies between A and C, then AB plus BC is equal to AC. But it say, according to the question, it is not equal to AC. It means B is not lies between A and C. It is not lies between A and C. And look at here. B lies between A and C. No. If B lies between A and C, then the measurement of AB plus measurement of BC and the sum of both of them is equal to the sum of total length. Got it? So according to this statement, B not lies between A and C. Okay, it means assertion is false. Next, come to the reason R. The measurement of line segment AB is represented by AB. Yes, this is the correct. You know very well how to represent a line segment like that, how to represent a ray like that, arrow sign, and how to represent a line like both direction in the arrow. It means this is the proper representation for a measurement of a line segment. It means the reason is true, but the assertion is false. So assertion A is false and reason is true. This is the option D. So the correct answer is D for this question. Next, come to the next question, everyone. And the next question is, Reena had rupees 500. The total money with Reena is rupees 500. She bought 3 pens at rupees 25 each. Look, the cost of pen. The cost of pen. Total cost of pens is equal to 3 pens and 25 each. It means 3 multiplied by 25. The result is 75 rupees. Got it? A book for rupees 230. It means cost of book. Cost of book is equal to 230 rupees. Okay. 2 pencil for rupees 15 each. It means total cost for pencil. Total cost for pencils is equal to how many pencils she bought? 2 pencil. And the price of 1 pencil is 15 for each. Okay. Whenever we multiply both of them, then the result is 30 rupees. Dear students, the total money spent by her, this is 75 on pen, 230 on book, and 30 on the pencils. Then the resulted money which she spent in the total deal, this is 5, 7, 3, 10, 10 and 3, 13, and the carry goes to 1, and the result is 335 rupees. And according to the question, she had rupees 500. So find out the remaining money which she have. The 500 subtracted 335 from 500. Then the result is 0. It means we take carry from the next digit. We got 10 and 10 minus 5 is 5. Here we have 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Here we have 4 because 5 gives a carry to the last digit. Then it becomes like 4. Then 4 subtracted from 3. Then it is 1. So the remaining money is, everyone, this is 165. Got it? It means she takes the money 500 and she spent 335 on the total deal with the shopkeeper. Look at here. How much money left with her? How much money, everyone? It means the money left with her is rupees 165. Got it? Next, come to the next question. So the next question is which we face in the examination. It is also depend on true, false. So which of the following statements are true or false? Look at here. A water bottle with 2 liter capacity holds 2000 ml. Dear students, we all know very well 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. And the condition is 2 liters. So first of all, multiplied here by 2 from the left side. Then we also multiplied here from the right side also. So 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml. And according to the statement, this is 2000 ml. It means this is the correct answer. So this is the true statement. Yes or no? Because the question wants to the true or false in that type of question. Okay, next come to the next point. The volume of a cube with side 6. First of all, tell me what is the volume of cube. Look, volume of cube is equal to side multiply side multiply side. It means a side cube like that. And we are having side as a 6. Okay, 6 centimeter. Then we multiplied it by 6. So it is the, I think, 216 centimeter cube. Got it? So you can see here, this is not 216. Got it? So finally what we say this is not a fair answer. So it is the false. A matchbox is an example of sphere. A matchbox is an example of sphere. Look at here. Matchbox like that. The shape of matchbox is like that. And this is the example of cuboid. Because we know very well sphere is like a ball. You know now very well. It means matchbox is represent a cuboid, not a sphere. So this is also false statement. If the length, breadth or height is 0, volume becomes 0. Yes, dear students, volume depend on length, breadth and height of a 3D shape. Whenever these all dimensions are 0, then shape is not possible. Got it? And whenever shape is not possible, then volume is also not possible. It means volume becomes 0. So this is the true statement. So finally we got true, false, false, true. This is the option C. Got it? We get true, false, false, true. And this is the according to the option C. So the next come to the next question. We have question number 47, and according to the 47, you can see here the area of a rectangle is 72 centimeters square. What we have? According to the question, we have area of rectangle. Area of rectangle according to question, and area is 72 centimeter square. First of all, tell me what is the formula of area of rectangle? Tell me. I think according to your opinion, the area is length multiply breadth. Yes or no? For which shape? For the rectangle. So let's take the next step in the question. Its length is 9 centimeter. So look at here. We want length or breadth both. And in the question, we are having only length. And we want to find out the breadth. So put out the value of length in the formula also. So on the length, we put 9 centimeter multiply by breadth because we don't know about breadth. Here we have 72 centimeter square because this is the result of the area of rectangle. Whenever 9 centimeter change its place from left to the right, then it is gone in the division because here it is have a multiplication with a breadth. So breadth is equal to 72 divided by 9. And whenever 72 divided by 9, here we have centimeter square, here we have centimeter. Centimeter cut out with a centimeter square for the centimeter. And 9 divided by 7 with how many times? 9 8 is 72. So the resulted breadth is 8 centimeter. It means the correct answer is 8 centimeter. Don't choose the option D because option D has unit is centimeter square and breadth has unit only centimeter, not centimeter square. Got it? Next we have question number 48 which we face in the examination, and it is also depend on the paragraph based question. The last paragraph depend on the environment day and this is dependent on the art day in Arya's school. Look, and first of all read the paragraph very carefully and think about the given values. It was art day at Arya's school. Okay. She drew a clock showing 9 o'clock. It means she drew a clock and represent the time of 9 o'clock. Okay. Where the hand made a right angle. Whenever you make a 9 o'clock, then the hand of clock makes a right angle. Yes, it is correct. Next, she sketched a kite and marked its intersecting lines, the sticks. She make a kite with the sticks. And the lines makes a intersecting lines whenever she make a kite like that. Whenever she make a kites, then sticks are intersecting each other. Sticks are intersecting each other. Her teacher asked her to find out how many angles were formed at the point where the sticks crossed. Teacher says how many angles were formed around the sticks whenever they both are intersecting. Okay. Arya made a hill road. Arya made a hill road. Hill road means like that. This is a hill road like that. Okay. Then what is happen? Using two slanting lines meeting at a point forming an acute angle. Whenever she make a hill road, then there are happening. She make a acute angle between both of the lines, slanting lines. Okay. So what is happening in all those paragraphs? There are art day in Arya's school. First of all, Arya make a circular clock and she represent the time is 9 o'clock and the hand of clock makes a 90 degree. Got it? After that, I think she make a kite with the intersecting lines they made by sticks. Okay, after that she make a hill road, and whenever she use slating lines for a hill road, they make a acute angle between them. Okay, look at the question very carefully. What it say? In the kite, the two sticks cross each other. What type of lines are they? There are no any extra efforts. Look at the paragraph. Next, she sketched a kite and mark its intersecting lines. You got your answer in the paragraph? Whenever she make the shape of kite, the slanting lines are intersecting. The lines are intersecting each other. It means the using sticks make a intersecting lines. Got it? So the correct answer is intersecting lines. Got it? Next question is question number 49. This question is also dependent on the same paragraph. So look at the question. What type of angle is formed by two slanting lines that meet to form a hill shape? You know very well, in the ending part of the paragraph, we have the information about a hill road. Later, Arya made a hill road drawing using two slanting lines meeting at a point and forming an acute angle. You got your answer in the paragraph very easily. The slanting lines make an angle which is acute. So in the option we have obtuse, reflex, right and acute. So the correct answer is acute angle, because this is informed in the given information. Got it? So the correct option is option C. Let's come to the last question of mathematics. And in the ending question we are having column first and column second. It means it is a match of the following type question. Okay, so look at here. This is a very easy question whenever you know about the rules of right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle. You can see here right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle. We know very well right angle means if an angle is measure 90 degree, the measurement of an angle is 90 degree, that means the angle is right angle. So right angle directly connected to 90 degree. Got it? Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Acute angle is less than 90 degree, like that. Acute angle is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree, because 0 degree is requirement for any angle. The angle is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. In between those conditions we are having acute angle. Got it? It means acute angle is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. So acute angle directly match to the point 4. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means if an angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then we say angle known as obtuse angle, because measurement of obtuse angle lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. So greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So the correct option is option, point 3rd. Okay, the last one is reflex angle. Reflex angle means if an angle is greater than 180 degree, and less than 360 degree, it means complete angle less than 360 degree but greater than 180 degree. That type of case we say the angle is known as reflex angle. So you can see here it is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So that means the last point match to the point S to the point first. Okay, it means P goes to the second, Q match out with 4, R match out with 3 and S match with 1. So this is the final result. Match out the answer with the option. I think option D is the correct option. So the final option is option D for this question. This is the paper solution for MO of examination in the section of mathematics which was held on 12th of October 2025 for class 5th. So revise all the questions very carefully and all the best for your future.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 12 October 2025. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. What should come in place of the question mark in the following series? So series is 3, 17, 45, 87. After 87 next number is missing, and after missing next is 213. So first find the pattern of the given number series. So pattern of the series is 3 to 17, it means plus 14, 17 to 45, it means plus 28, 45 to 87, it means plus 42. So now pattern is 14, 28, 42. 14 plus 14, it means 28. 28 plus 14, it means 42. Now 42 plus 14, it means 56. So now adding 56 in 87. 87 plus 56, 87 plus 56, it means 143. So 143 is the missing number of given number series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is, what should come in place of the question mark in the following series? So series is A, G, L, P, S. After S next letter is missing. So find the pattern of given series. So first find the place value of letters. So place value of A is 1 in English alphabet. Place value of G is 7. Place value of L is 12. Place value of P is 16. Place value of S is 19 in English alphabet. So pattern is 1 to 7, it means plus 6, 7 to 12, it means plus 5, 12 to 16, it means plus 4, 16 to 19, it means plus 3. So now pattern is 6, 5, 4, 3, plus 6, plus 5, plus 4, plus 3. Now plus 2. So plus 2, it means 19 plus 2, it means 21. So 21, it means U, because place value of U in English alphabet is 21. So here missing letter is U. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. A man walks 5 km towards south and then turns to the right. After walking 3 km, he turns right and walks 5 km. Now how far is he from the starting point? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now question is, a man walks 5 km towards south. Let's suppose A is the starting point of a man, and man goes towards the south direction and walks 5 km. After 5 kilometer, he turns right. After 5 kilometer, he turns his right. After walking 3 kilometer, he again turn right. He again turn to his right and walks 5 kilometer. Now, how far is he from the starting point? Let's suppose B is the end point of the man. So find the distance between A and B, because A is the starting point of the man and B is the end point of the man. So find the distance between A and B. So distance between A and B is 3 kilometer. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. A man start walking west. He turn right, then right again, and finally turn left. Towards which direction was he walking now? Let's suppose A is the starting point of the man. Now man started walking towards the west direction. This is the west. Now he turned to his right. Then right again. Again he turned to his right. Finally, he turned towards his left. He turns towards his left. Towards which direction was he walking now? So finally, he was walking towards the north direction, because this is the north direction. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Find the mirror image of the given letters. AB is a mirror. So in mirror image question, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of E. So mirror image of E looks something like this. Then find the mirror image of V. So this is the mirror image of V. And then find the mirror image of I. This is the mirror image of I. Again find the mirror image of T. This is the mirror image of T. Next find the mirror image of C. This is the mirror image of C. Mirror image of E. Mirror image of E looks something like this. And then find the mirror image of F. So this is the mirror image of F. Again find the mirror image of F. This is the mirror image of F. Now finally find the mirror image of E. This is the mirror image of E. So here option A is the correct answer of this question, because option A shows the correct mirror image of given letters. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Roshan ranked 11th place from the top and 31st place from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? In a class, rank of Roshan is 11th from the top and 31st from the bottom. Rank of Roshan from the top is 11th and rank of Roshan from the bottom is 31st. Now find the total number of students in this class. So total number of students is equals to left position of Roshan plus right position. Left, it means top position of Roshan, and bottom position of Roshan minus 1. So top position of Roshan is 11 plus bottom position of Roshan is 31st minus 1. 11 plus 31, it means 42. 42 minus 1, it means 41. So there are 41 students in this class. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. In a row of boys, Suresh is 7th from the left and Rohit is 12th from the right. If they interchange their position, Suresh becomes 22nd from the left. How many boys are there in the row? So find the total number of boys in the row. So in a row, this is the left side of the row and this is the right side of the row. Now Suresh is 7th from the left and Rohit is 12th from the right. Here is Rohit. Now they interchange their position. If they interchange their position, so position of Rohit from the left is 7 and position of Suresh is 12 from the right end. Position of Rohit is 7th from the left and position of Suresh is 12th from the right. Now Suresh becomes 22nd from the left. Position of Suresh from the left is 22nd. Then find the total number of boys in the row. So find the total number of boys. So formula is left plus right of the same person minus 1. So left position of Suresh is 22 plus right position of Suresh is 12 minus 1. So 22 plus 12, it means 34 minus 1. 34 minus 1, it means 33. So here 33. Total number of boys in that row is 33. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. Which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? So equation is 10 divided by 5 minus 4 multiply by 3 plus 6 is equals to 13. Now interchange the sign. So options are taking one by one and then check which one will follow correctly. So first taking option A. According to option A, interchange plus and divide. So 10 divide means plus 5 minus 4 multiply by 3 plus means divide 6 is equals to 13. So using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first divide the numbers. So 10 plus 5 minus 4 into 3 divided by 6 is equals to 13. 3 divided by 6, it means 1 by 2. So 10 plus 5 minus 4 into 1 by 2 is equals to 13. Now multiply the numbers. So 4 multiply by 1 by 2, it means 2. So 10 plus 5 minus 2 is equals to 13. Now add the numbers. 10 plus 5, it means 15 minus 2 is equals to 13. 15 minus 2, it means 13. 13 always equals to 13. So here option A will be the correct answer of this question. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. From the given alternative, select the combination of mathematical symbol when put sequentially in the place of A, B, C, D and E in the following equation will balance the equation. So equation is 38A 17 bracket close B 9C 117 D 13 E 94 is equals to 104. Now options are taking one by one and then check which one will follow correctly. So first taking option A. So according to option A means minus, B means multiply, C means plus, D means divide and E means minus. So equation is 38. A means minus 17, B it means multiply by 9, C it means plus 117, D means divided by 13, E means minus 94 is equals to 104. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, so according to BODMAS, first solve the brackets. So 38 minus 17, it means 21. So 21 multiply by 9 plus 117 divided by 13 minus 94 is minus 94 is equals to 104. Now divide the numbers. So divide the numbers. So 21 multiply by 9 plus 117 divided by 13. It means 9 minus 94 is equals to 104. Now multiply the numbers. So multiply the numbers. So 21 multiply by 9, it means 189 plus 9 minus 94 is equals to 104. Now add the numbers. So 189 plus 9, it means 198 minus 94 is equals to 104. 198 minus 94, it means 104 is equals to 104. So here option A will be the correct answer of this question, because option A balance the equation. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. In following questions consist of a set of three figures x, y and z showing in a sequence of folding of a piece of paper. Figure Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. Choose a figure which most closely resembles the unfolded form of figure Z from the four answer figure given below. So now unfold the paper. So unfold the paper in the same sequence when it was folded, and then find the mirror image in each unfold. So first unfold the Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and find the image of X after cut. So first unfold the Z. So Z will be unfolded in this direction because Y has been folded in this direction. So first unfold the Z. So now unfold the Z in this direction. Then we get a image something like this. This is the Y. Now unfold the Y in this direction because X has been folded in this direction. Now unfold the Y, then we get a image something like this, and mirror image of this part will look something like this. So this is the correct unfolded sheet after cut. So here option C is the correct answer of this question, because option C shows the correct unfolded sheet after cut. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have completed the paper solution. We hope you have understood it very well. If you have any query or doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the Matrix Olympiad website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And all kind of new information will be shared on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also get the new updates on our WhatsApp channel. You can join the Matrix WhatsApp channel for new updates regarding the Olympiad and other information. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.